Love has stung me into madness for a long season, and so I'm complaining of it. For soon it will be around 7 years since she made me love so strongly without measure. Her in whom I lost my joy and my fortune. Never since could the suffering part from my heart. And yet I had many goods before and many pleasures. And so I lament my grievance more, for it's very hard to suffer misfortune for the one who's used to enjoying many good things. I suffer it by force, for I can't part from it. And it wouldn't be right for a faithful lover to be base in love while suffering from it. But love wants what makes the lover worsen. And so it's right that no one follows justice there, and right that since hands power over to desire. But I'm not opposing its right, for in another affair it would seem great torture that she whom I love could rightly kill me. And I would love the one who makes me languish. Of love there would be measure without fail, if neither malice nor deceit reign there. Rather it would be fitting, since the name is so great, since love has the name of love, that love be without falsehood. But toward me she is so evil and so hard, because I'm faithful, humble, and begging her for mercy, that the name of love has lost to my harm. So I stay here with nothing improving for me, like the one who sees himself drowning in the middle of the sea, and can neither stay there nor get out. To flee my own harm, so violently I hang in a wild balance. And my lady, because she's beautiful and prized and without mercy, has no care for my death. Instead, when I beg her, she summons and conjures me to leave her. And since nothing comes of it, it would be better for me if I followed her commands. But I can't at all, for the will that endures, and my firm heart, and the loving desire, where she does me worse, make her please me more. So why do I do it, since I dare to tell you this? Since she doesn't want to keep me on my songs toward myself, I'm a traitor and a cheat. See if I'm truly of a mad nature, knowingly, with no cover for it, I do myself much worse than she does, 100 times over. And if her body well made and well kept doesn't want and love me, she doesn't do as great a wrong, nor as great a harm to me when I think on it, as I myself do when I push to betray myself.
So she does great sin,
For I'm enraged at her,
since I love her so much.
when just one beautiful look or one pleasure from her, who speaks so gently, could make me
Of this let her be sure.
rich and provided with what I'm lacking. And then in this she's stingy and a tyrant to me. Hardly would she want to grant greater demands from my treasure, Lord of Pomp, restorer. makes his worth welcome by all people. I don't believe anyone saw him so hard to convert. To her, through whom my songs are prized, to vent it, don't I want you to go and hurry, for she has in herself so much good fortune that all people will want you at parting, to honor her, to learn and to hear.